Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to English class. Okay, I'll ask you some question. Just give me answer. Have you ever listened the name of Mowgli? Yes, of course you all have listened. And have you seen the movie The Jungle Book? I'm sure that some of the students have seen that movie. Okay, let's start our today's English class with a very interesting story. Mowgli joins the wolf pack. Now I'm showing you pictures of some animals who play a very important role in Mowgli's life and in this chapter too. Look at the picture carefully and identify the animals. I'll tell you their names in the story after showing the picture. Panther, Bagheera, Bear, Baloo, Tiger, Sher Khan, Wolf, Akela. Now let's do a warm up activity. Write down any 3 rules in your notebook that you must obey at home. I am giving you only 1 minute for this task. You know, student, why I am asking to write down the rules? Because I want to tell you that what is the importance of rules in our life. And in this chapter, we'll use the word law instead of rules. That also means rules that everyone in the society or country must obey. Have you written? Okay. Let's start reading of the chapter. It was a very warm evening in the Seeonee Hills. Father Wolf woke up from his day's rest. Mother Wolf lay with her cubs. It is a time to hunt again, said Father Wolf. He was going to spring downhill when Tabaqui the jackal came and said, Shere Khan has shifted his hunting grounds. He has told me that he will hunt among these hills for the next moon. Shere Khan was a tiger who lived near the Venganga river 20 miles away. He has no right, Father Wolf began angrily. By the law of the jungle, he has no right to change his quarters without due warning. He has been lame in one foot from his birth. That is why he has only killed cattle. Now, the villagers of the Venganga are angry with him, and he has come here to make our villagers angry. This is very dangerous for us, Mother Wolf said. I must go now, said Tabaqui quietly. You can hear Shere Khan below in the woods. Father Wolf listened, and below in the valley he heard the whine of a tiger who had caught nothing. He wants to hunt man, said Mother Wolf. Man? Said Father Wolf, showing all his white teeth. Are there not enough beetles and frogs in the tank that he must eat man? And on our ground too? The law of the jungle, which never orders anything without a reason, forbids every beast to eat man. The real reason for this is that man killing means sooner or later the arrival of men on elephants with guns and hundreds of men with gongs and rockets and torches. Then everybody in the jungle suffers. Something is coming uphill, said Mother Wolf, twinching one ear. Get ready. The bushes rustled a little in the thicket, and Father Wolf dropped with his haunches under him, ready for his leap. Then the wolf checked in mid spring. The result was that he shot up straight into the air for 4 or 5 feet, landing almost where he left ground. Man, he snapped. A man's cub, look! Directly in front of him, holding on by a low branch, stood a naked baby who could just walk. He looked up into Father Wolf's face and laughed. "Is that a man's cub?" said Mother Wolf. "I have never seen one. Bring it here, please." Now I am going to explain it. A very warm evening in the Seone Hills, Father Wolf had just woken up while Mother Wolf and her cubs were still lying down. Father Wolf जाग गए but Mother Wolf अपने cubs के साथ, cubs means the young ones of a wolf, tiger और lion. Lion, tiger और wolf के बेबी को क्या कहते हैं? Cub. Father Wolf had woken up but Mother Wolf was lying down with her cubs. Then Father Wolf said, "It is time to hunt again." But as he started to go down, then Tabaqui, the jackal, came and said, "Shere Khan has shifted his hunting ground. He has told me that he will hunt among these hills for the next moon." Who was Shere Khan? Sher Khan was the tiger who lived near the Venganga river. Shere Khan कौन था बेटा? Tiger who lived near the Venganga river. Right? Now he has shifted his hunting ground. "He has no right," Father Wolf began angrily. Then Father Wolf said that he has no right because the law of the jungle forbid the animals to change their quarters without due warning, right? Because law of the jungle forbade the animals to change their quarters without due warning. जंगल का लॉ क्या कहता है कि कोई भी एनिमल अपना क्वार्टर, अपनी हंटिंग ग्राउंड ऐसे चेंज नहीं कर सकता विदाउट अ वार्निंग, राइट? देन मदर वुल्फ सेड he had killed only cattle. That's why the villagers of Venganga are angry with him. Now he has come here to make our villagers angry. अब वो हमारे villagers को एंग्री करने आया है. उसने वैनगंगा के villagers को तो एंग्री कर दिया. This is very dangerous for us, Mother Wolf said. Then Tabaqui quietly said, "Now I must go now. You can hear Shere Khan below in the woods." Then Father Wolf listened, because in the valley he heard the whine of a tiger who had caught nothing. Whine means गुर्राने की आवाज़ सुनी उसने एक टाइगर की. "He wants to hunt man," said Mother Wolf. Mother Wolf was saying that he wants to hunt man. Then Father Wolf again said, "Man? Are there not enough beetles and frogs in the tank that he must eat man? And on our ground too?" क्या जंगल में बीटल्स, कीड़े मकोड़े और फ्रॉग्स कम हैं जो अब उसको आदमी खाना है? उसको ही मस्ट ईट मैन इन आवर ग्राउंड्स. द लॉ ऑफ द जंगल विच नेवर ऑर्डर एनीथिंग विदाउट अ रीजन. बिकॉज लॉ ऑफ द जंगल क्या कहता है कि nobody can eat a man, right? Because the real reason for this is the man killing means अगर हम मैन को किल करेंगे देन द अराइवल ऑफ अ मैन ऑन एलिफेंट्स विद गन्स एंड हंड्रेड्स ऑफ मेन्स एंड रॉकेट्स एंड टॉर्चेस. अगर हम मैन को किल करेंगे तो फिर काफ़ी लोग आएंगे एलिफेंट्स पे बैठ के विद गन्स एंड टॉर्चेस एंड रॉकेट्स. देन एवरीबडी इन द जंगल सफ़र्स. फिर पूरे जंगल को उसका सफ़र करना पड़ेगा, भुगतान भरना पड़ेगा. सारे जंगल पे मुसीबत आ जाएगी अगर हम मैन को किल करेंगे. "Something is coming uphill," said Mother Wolf, twitching one ear. Mother Wolf को फिर एक कान से आवाज़ आती है, like twitching one ear, अब अपने कान आवाज़ की तरफ लगाते हुए she was saying, "Something is coming uphill. Get ready." The bushes rustled. Rustled means a sound of paper or dry leaves, right? इतने में bushes की rustled a little in the thicket and Father Wolf dropped with his haunches under him and ready for his leap. जैसे ही उन्हें एक rustled और पेपर की साउंड ऑफ पेपर लाइक ड्राई लीव्स, उनको जैसे ही आवाज़ आती है Father Wolf was ready for his leap. The result was that he shot up straight into the air for 4 or 5 feet, landing almost where he left ground. "Man!" he snapped. अ मैन्स कब, लुक। बट जैसे ही वो लीप करने लगते हैं, जैसे ही वो उस पर हंट करने लगते हैं, वो देखते हैं कि अ मैन्स कब, उनको एक मैन दिखाई देता है। एंड देन फादर वुल्फ सेड अ मैन्स कब डायरेक्टली इन फ्रंट ऑफ हिम, उसके बिल्कुल सामने होता है, होल्डिंग ऑन बाय अ लो ब्रांच स्टूड अ नेकेड बेबी। नेकेड मीन्स नॉट वियरिंग एनी क्लोथ एंड हु कुड जस्ट वॉक। ही लुक्ड अप इनटू फादर वुल्फ्स फेस, वो फादर वुल्फ के फेस को देखता है एंड लाफ, एंड हंसने लग जाता है। इज दैट अ मैन्स कब, सेड मदर वुल्फ। मदर वुल्फ पूछती है, क्या ये मैन्स कब है? आई हैव नेवर सीन वन, ब्रिंग इट हियर। मैंने कभी मेंस कब नहीं देखा, प्लीज इसको इधर लाइए। ओके, सो स्टूडेंट्स, टुडे वी हैव read पेज नंबर 42 and 43 and further story will continue in our next session. Okay.